Welcome to the world's most advanced $100 million chicken mega factory. Today, we step behind closed doors to uncover how automation grows an entire nation's poultry supply. This gigantic facility produces over 500,000 birds every single week, with every stage controlled by precision engineering and AI-driven monitoring systems. From tiny hatchlings to fully grown chickens, everything happens under one massive roof. Our journey begins inside the hatchery. Thousands of eggs arrive from carefully selected breeding farms. Robotic arms sort and scan each egg within seconds, checking weight, shape, and shell quality. Only the strongest eggs are placed inside the incubation chambers. These climate-controlled rooms maintain perfect temperature and humidity, while AI sensors track embryo growth around the clock. After 21 days, chicks begin to hatch in synchronized cycles. Soft conveyor belts gently carry the newborns forward as they undergo quick health checks to ensure they are active and strong. Automated counters and digital trackers record every chick, while gentle mist vaccination systems protect them instantly. Once ready, the chicks are transported to the broiler grow-out barns. These barns are the heart of the operation. Climate systems maintain perfect airflow, temperature, and lighting day and night. AI monitors detect even the smallest changes in behavior. Feed is delivered automatically based on age, weight, and nutritional profiles. Water lines are kept sanitized to prevent contamination, while machines refresh bedding to maintain hygiene. CCTV and heat maps allow managers to study movement patterns across the barns. Inside these huge structures, more than 25,000 birds grow at once, each monitored through digital ID systems. Ventilation towers exchange fresh air every 3 minutes, supported by ammonia sensors that ensure air quality never drops below safety standards. Sun-mimicking LEDs keep the birds calm and healthy. By week 2, growth becomes rapid and highly efficient. Feed conversion ratios are optimized through scientific formulas, and automated scales weigh hundreds of birds every hour, sending real-time data straight to the control center. Inside this central hub, technicians monitor the entire facility from massive screens, displaying temperatures, feed intake, water flow, and flock behavior. Alerts notify staff within seconds if something needs adjustment. Robotic cleaners glide through the barns on scheduled routines to ensure disease risk stays extremely low. By week 4, the chickens reach processing weight. Automated herding systems guide the birds safely to collection points. Specialized climate-controlled crates transport them to the processing plant next door. This section follows some of the world's strictest hygiene protocols. Workers go through full sanitation procedures before entering. Machinery is sterilized several times per day, and even the walls and ceilings are cleaned automatically. Now we move into the processing line, the core of the mega factory. Conveyor systems move at remarkable speed while maintaining precision. AI vision sensors inspect each chicken in milliseconds, identifying defects or abnormalities instantly. High-efficiency chilling systems rapidly reduce temperature to preserve freshness. Automated cutters perform tasks with robotic accuracy, supervised by trained butchers who ensure consistent quality. Each portion is tracked through a digital traceability system. Zero human contact packaging machinery seals the products in vacuum packs, printing timestamps, batch codes, and tracking information on each one. Thousands of portions are processed every hour. Quality control teams test samples every 15 minutes to maintain high global standards. The products then move into the freezing tunnel, an ultra-cold chamber that locks in freshness within seconds. After freezing, everything enters the automated warehouse. This vast storage facility holds millions of dollars worth of inventory. Robotic forklifts move pallets around without any drivers, guided by digital maps and sensors. Every item's location is tracked digitally, maintaining cold chain integrity from the factory all the way to supermarkets. Automated conveyors load distribution trucks, which depart around the clock to supply stores, restaurants, and export markets. This operation runs 24 hours a day. Hundreds of engineers, technicians, and specialists oversee the system, while automation handles most of the daily workload. This is how the factory consistently reaches its staggering output of 500,000 chickens per week. Sustainability is also a key priority here. Solar panels generate a significant portion of the energy. Water recycling systems reduce waste dramatically. Manure is converted into organic fertilizer, and unused byproducts are repurposed to minimize environmental impact. The goal is maximum output with the smallest possible ecological footprint. Technology drives everything behind the scenes. AI software predicts feed needs days in advance. Machine learning algorithms detect early signs of health issues. Tiny behavioral changes trigger automatic adjustments in temperature, lighting, and feeding schedules. Digital dashboards give managers full control in real time, ensuring no part of the facility operates without constant oversight. Engineering plays a critical role as well. Massive ventilation units circulate fresh air across the barns. Backup generators guarantee uninterrupted power. High-pressure sanitizing jets clean machines automatically, while strict safety protocols meet international certification standards. Every worker is trained to operate advanced equipment safely and efficiently. Millions of data points guide the factory's workflow, making this one of the world's most productive poultry operations. Let's follow the journey of a single product. From hatchery to grow-out barn, from processing to packaging, every step is documented through a sophisticated traceability system. This builds trust with consumers, restaurants, supermarkets, and international buyers. Each shipment is tested, certified, and inspected before leaving the facility. These mega factories play a vital role in feeding millions of people worldwide. What you see here is the result of decades of innovation, a seamless blend of biology, engineering, automation, and human expertise. From tiny chicks to fully packaged products on supermarket shelves, every stage is optimized, synchronized, and monitored. Producing 500,000 chickens per week is only possible through this advanced fusion of technology and science. This is the future of poultry farming. More efficient, less wasteful, more sustainable, and powered by AI, robotics, and skilled human professionals working together. Thank you for joining us inside the $100 million chicken mega factory.
Thermal camera-like visualization of feed temperature monitoring.
Automated scanners checking weight and shape instantly.